This is the first time I am here in this channel, pressure cooker in terms of sustainable energy. So today we are going to discuss the difference between pressure cooker and pressure pan. Many of you know about the pressure cooker, but some of you know regarding the pressure pan. What is pressure pan? You have not either you have not heard this name, but in South India many of people they know that what is pressure pan. So these are the displayed pressure pan. So pressure pan is nothing. This is a pressure cooker. Mind it, though it's named as pressure pan, but this is a actual pressure cooker. But why it is named as pressure pan? As because in normal pressure cooker it is not recommended to fry or saute, as because the strength of the metal may decrease. For that reason, for safety purpose, the pressure cooker company do not allow, they do not allow to make you fry or saute in this pressure cooker. So here I have displayed the four kinds of pressure pan, and you just see that the structure of the pan is like kodai. The kodai, the traditional kodai. I am showing all the structure of the pan, traditional kodai structure. You can see that traditional kodai like structure. Here you can see that. And the structure of the normal pressure cooker is like that. This is not kodai like structure. This is the main first difference. The kodai like structure actually increase the thermal efficiency. Okay, and the pressure pan is made up of either aluminium or stainless steel. Here I have one stainless steel pressure pan, and all of them are capable of doing saute or deep frying or frying, but which you cannot do in this normal pressure cooker. This is stainless steel pressure cooker, this is aluminium pressure cooker. Here you cannot do this kind of work. Okay, so for that reason you need the pressure pan. Though many of people they do the work in normal pressure cooker of like saute or frying, but this is not done, as because the strength of the pressure cooker metal can decrease and it may burst. The pressure cooker may burst in the normal temperature. This is fully written in the instruction manual of every pressure cooker company, that pressure cooker should not be used for deep frying or frying. Okay, for that reason you need the pressure pan. So pressure pan is always made up of outer lid pressure cooker. For inner lid you can go for heavy base pressure cooker. Heavy base models are there in case of Hawkins, in case of Butterfly, but pressure pan is only found in the outer lid pressure cooker. So there are three types of pressure pan: sub-junior pressure pan, junior pressure pan, and senior pressure pan. So normally we know that pressure cookers are mentioned in 2 liters or 4 liters or 3 liters or 5 liters, but pressure cookers are not in liters. They are sub-junior, junior or senior. Normally sub-junior pressure pan is 2 to 2.5 liter. Then junior pressure pan, this may vary from 3 to 4 liter, and senior pressure pan vary from 4.5 to 6 liter or 6.5 liters. So here I have displayed 2 junior pressure pan and 2 senior pressure pan. I don't have sub-junior pressure pan at this moment, but mind it, it's look like normal 2 liter outer lid pressure cooker. Okay, so in case of sub-junior pressure pan, so I have 2 junior pressure pan. These are 2 junior pressure pan. This is 3.5 liter junior pressure pan, and this is 4 liter junior pressure pan. Okay, and these are senior pressure pan. This is 4 liter, this is 4.5 liter senior pressure pan, 4.5 liter senior pressure pan, and this is 6 liter senior pressure pan. So as per your need you can use the pressure pan. So when you open the lid, the dome like structure in that lid, every lid has the dome like structure. So your cooking capacity, if this is the 3.5 liter pressure pan, the cooking capacity ultimately goes to 2.5 liter, as because in closed condition this is totally 3.5 liter. When you open the pressure cooker, your cooking capacity is 2.5 liter. Similarly, for this is 4 liter, so your cooking capacity is 3 liter. This is 4.5 liter, your cooking capacity remains 3.5 liter, and this is 6 liter, your cooking capacity remains near about 5 liters. Okay, so as per your need you can go for this pressure pan. And another interesting thing I just want to convey you that for junior pressure pan of any pressure cooker company, the lid is compatible with the 5 liter of this company. Here for this case, this is the Pigeon pressure pan, and when I bought this pressure pan with this combo like that. One lid for junior pressure pan and the same lid for the 5 liters pressure cooker. Okay, so this is the miracle. So for if you have the only 5 liter pressure cooker, you can only buy the pressure pan without lid. The same lid is compatible with the pan also. The same thing is like in this case. This is Premier brand. I don't have Premier 5 liter pressure cooker, but Premier junior pressure pan lid is compatible with the Premier 5 liter pressure cooker. Here this is senior pressure pan. So for senior pressure pan, normally the lids are compatible with 6.5 liters to 12 liters of the pressure cooker for senior pressure pan. Here this is the Prestige senior pressure pan, and I have Prestige 6.5 liter pressure cooker. Here you can see that miracle. I am exchanging the lid. This is the main lid of the 6.5 liter pressure cooker, but this lid of the senior Prestige pressure pan is compatible with the 6.5 liter pressure cooker. This is miracle. So if you only have the either cooker 6.5 liter or 7.5 liter, you can only buy the pressure pan, not the lid, because the same lid is compatible with your need. And another interesting thing is that for this is Premier senior pressure pan. I don't have Premier 7.5 liters or 10 liters or 12 liters, but I have Pigeon 7.5 liters. Interestingly, you can see that this lid is compatible with the Pigeon pressure cooker. So this is to show you that this is the proof that these lid are compatible. So as per your need, as per your demand, you can go for this pressure pan. So hope this information is helpful for you. And for pressure pan use, you can use it for deep frying, you can use it for sauteing, you can use it for normal frying, which you cannot do in pressure cooker. But because the base is much thicker as compared to the normal pressure cooker, for that reason it is suitable for frying. Okay, so I hope that this information is helpful for you, and again I will come back with another video. And namaskar, and please subscribe my channel, as because your subscription is very much needed for the growth of my channel. Thank you.